Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to add text above image in Word. So first you need to insert a one by one table. For this you need to go to the insert tab on the ribbon and click on the table and select a single cell one by one. A small triangle box will appear on your page. You can extend this. Now click your cursor inside the table cell and then go to the picture and then go to the insert and click on the picture and click on this device and select the picture from your computer. I'll be having this picture. So now you can resize it. So once you select the image, you need to hit enter to create a line above it. Now type your text or header in this new line. Now you can easily standard alignment tools to center it like this one. So right align the text perfectly relative to the page like this one. Click the image and click on this layout option and click on in front of text. So now you can move your picture within the cell and resize it like this one. And click outside and now click the small four-way arrow icon at the top left of the table to select the entire thing. And now go to the table design tab that appears on the ribbon and now click on the borders drop down. Here is the border. You need to click on this and select the no border and you will see that border has been removed. Moreover, you will see that a faint dotted line showing your container without it showing upon the final print or PDF export, so don't worry it. So this method beats standards layout. A hidden table trick completely change how you build documents, giving you three major advantages over traditional typing. The one is the zero layout drifting, the second is the perfect document flow, and the third is the effortless multi-image alignment. So I hope now you understand how to add text above picture in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.